everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy, and today we're going to learn how to draw the USA letters that also have the flag on them, the American flag. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw these bubble letters, and then we're going to fill them in with the stripes and stars. To draw the U, to draw the bubble U, you will just go down and draw like a regular U. Okay, make it wide. And then from here, you'll go down and do this indentation, the inside of the U. And correct yourself if you need to, like I'm doing right now. That's why we use pencils. We can fix, we can erase, we can go over the lines and make them be where we need them to be. Okay, the S is the hardest part. So to do the S, you will start here on the side of your U and go this way. And then you'll come down to this piece, come back in, and now you pretty much draw an S until you connect to the bottom of the U. And you'll make this little piece here. And the A also comes up from the S. And you just go up and you go as high as these so they're even. If you have a hard time staying within the lines, you can draw some lines and erase them later. So going back to A, you loop down, and then you want to make sure this is at about the same height, and you go up and down. Then you're going to draw the little triangle inside with rounded corners. And here's your letters, USA. If you're here just for the letters, go ahead and start coloring. If you want the flag like I have, we're going to do stripes first. The real flag, the real American flag, has 13 stripes. Mine only has 5. So go ahead and do your stripes. I'm going to do 1 at the bottom, 2, 3. I'm not going to do one here because that's where the stars will go, so I'll start here. And you want to try to space them evenly. To do the stars, I'm going to do just really easy 5-point stars. If you don't know how to draw these, you just go, you find a starting point, doesn't matter where, and then you go up and down. And then you're going to cross over, cross back over, and connect these. You can practice these on the side if you're not sure that you can get them right in here, and then go ahead and start putting them in here. I'm only going to have 4, 5, 6, 10 of these. The real flag has 50, so you feel free to put in as many as you want. I'm actually going to have 11. Okay, and finally, I'm gonna color my bubble USA letters. I'm gonna use 2 colors. I'm gonna use blue for around the stars, and I'm gonna use red for the stripes. And I'm also gonna use a Sharpie to outline my letters. And one thing I wanna show you is, when I'm doing the stars, I'm gonna go around the stars like this. I will not go over all of the lines. I'm gonna color around it. And later, I'm going to erase all of these pencil lines. So go ahead and get going. Okay, here comes the final step, the erasing. This is a really cool eraser because it does a very good job. It's also refillable, so when you run out, you just put a new piece in, but it lasts a very long time. I'm linking to it at the bottom of the video, so you can get one if you need to. Otherwise, you can just use any kind of eraser. The one at the back of your pencil will do the job too. All right, my USA letters are done. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe so you can see my next one. I hope to see you soon.